Hello, Immigrant Heights Middle Schoolers. I'm so excited to start school next week. Um, let's get started. Welcome to your open house. I'm sorry we missed you, but here's the video of the same presentation that we had during the open house. So this is my Bitmoji, and you might be seeing a little bit of her throughout the year. Again, welcome. And this PowerPoint, by the way, will be on Schoology in your second or sixth hour, so you can take a look at the PowerPoint. Anyway, I'm going to skip ahead. I am Mrs. Jensen, and this is my family. This is my 5th year. I've been teaching at ESL at IGHMS, and my 22nd year of teaching overall, and I absolutely love it. I love to jog, walk, swim, and exercise while listening to interesting podcasts or watching at the gym addictive dramas. I also love to garden. In fact, it's kind of an obsession, and you can't really get me back inside in the summer, spring, and fall. My husband and I have 2 sons, Jonah and Virgil, 24 and 16, and 1 daughter, 20, Hala. And between us, we have 2 dogs and 2 cats. So we keep pretty busy and spend lots of time together. I'm going to skip that and that. What to expect in academic English, 2nd and 6th hours. So we will be learning, creating, and exploring, all while reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English. We will be expanding our vocabulary while we're learning. And in addition, we will also practice our other language. The better the first language, the better the second language. So we want to make sure they're both getting better. And my goal is to get you ready for English language arts class in whatever grade you are next year. When you're at school, in school days, those are days to clarify and ask questions from at-home learning days. So if you had questions when you were at home and you didn't get the answers yet, that would be a good time to ask. And then we're also going to give directions and instruction how to do your at-home assignments for the rest of the week or for the following week. And then your at-home days, you can expect to every day when you're at home, check on Schoology and look at your weekly bulletin for the class. That'll help guide you through the week. And then on your weekly bulletin, you'll just work through your weekly assignments. You can contact me for help. You can either text me or email me, and I'll give you that information in a moment. And then when you're at home, also, you're going to read and write for 30 minutes a day. So 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes writing every day when you're at home, okay? And here is my contact information. My email, my Snapchat. You can take a picture of this. Otherwise, it's up on Schoology. And here's my text number. And here's my school phone number. And then here's our website, and we'll be using that quite a bit. If you have any questions, give me a call or text me or email me. You know how to reach me now. It's been grand. Bye, guys. See you very soon.